back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. So guys, I'm in Goa and I'm in Goa since 3 days. And for those of you who don't know, basically my family, like my parents and me, we own 8 properties in Goa. So that's the reason every month or every second month, one of us or two of us are over here keeping a check on everything. So this is like my second home only, and I'm here like almost every month. So the reason why I'm visiting Goa at this time is like thoda curfew bhi chal raha hai, there are few restrictions also, is because one of our villas is getting renovated. So me and my mom are over here. Pehle my sister and my dad were also here, but they have gone back home. So since 3 days I was just in my PJs and going from one shop to the other, taking care of the villa only. So I'm just gonna put the clips after this video what I did in these 2-3 days. Zyada kuch nahi kiya, but further I'll be recording everything what I'll be doing and vlogging properly. So yeah. Me and my mom were doing some work, and now we have come to this cafe called Al Fresca by Bottega. I'm visiting this cafe for the first time, so I'll let you guys know how it is. Where the construction is going on basically. So over here we have so these are my personal favorite villas. They are I love those also, but these are the typical Portuguese style villas we have. So we have 3 BHKs, 4 BHKs, 7 BHKs and 4 BHKs over here. And yeah, I cannot give you a proper tour of these villas right now, but na pura video will be on that only. I would love to make a separate video showing all my villas, but I'm just gonna give you a mini glimpse of, you know, my favorite spots and where I like to chill and where I like to sit. I'm going to show you the swimming pool area also and where the renovation is going on. And here we have like hundreds of coconuts lying. So we have a lot of coconut trees. So here like we have there are like almost 100+ coconuts which are lying. So every day when we come, we drink like 2-3 glasses of coconut water. So I'm just gonna have a glass of coconut water now. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you my villas, a bit glimpse of my villas. So I woke up a while back, and 2 days back actually I got some groceries from Newton's. So I'm just not a lot of it, because I'll keep on me and my mom will keep on going and buy a few things because we are here for almost a month. So abhi whatever I bought, I'm just going to show you as a thode snacks I got for myself. So I got this Moonfills ka croissant vanilla flavor. I even got it in chocolate, but that one I ate. Then I got this Epigamia ka, it's their new launch milkshake in the vanilla variant. These 2 things I'm gonna have right now. And then we got few ऐसे just to keep our biscuits and everything as a set of 4 jars. Then just a second. Then I got this stars ka this cake treats biscuit jo bhi hai. Then the double vanilla Oreos I wanted to. And there's this cake roll from I don't know which brand, this cake roll. Then I got I got this Swiss roll also. ये थोड़ा दब गया है. Then there was one more thing जिसका packet I had saved because I got these strips also. एक और थे वो खत्म हो गए. Veggie sticks also. Then a packet of Maggi. One more thing which I ate. This is very tasty. It's Bolly sandwich cake, choco vanilla. I'm gonna buy 2-3 more. And a packet of Maggi that I've shown. And we got some nuts also. Nuts ke packets. We got these nuts. That's all. I'm gonna do grocery shopping probably, every 3-4 days. I kuch na kuch lana because I'm here for like a month. तो कुछ ना कुछ चाहिए होगा. So yeah, ऐसे knickknacks थोड़ा I bought. I even got this very delicious drink from Decathlon. It's kind of over, but it was very tasty. Energy drink. And I got a pair of new slippers from Decathlon, which I'll show you guys after my breakfast. So right now. Guys, so I'm all ready and I'm wearing this tie-up top from Zingring that I got from Khan Market. And these shorts are pretty old, so I don't really remember ye kahan se hai. And then these chappals I got from Decathlon, which I'm wearing. And there are some accessories on my hand. These ones I got from Accessorize. And then there are these 2 rings that I got from US, so I don't really remember. And this one also I got from US, don't remember. And yeah, that's how I look. Hi guys, so it has started raining also, and we have come to this cafe called the Purana Cafe. So it's for the first time I'm coming over here. And we haven't entered yet. I'm just waiting for my mom. She's getting a bit ready. And abhi the vibe is really beautiful. Like, there's a lot of greenery over here. And ye na bilkul Baba Aur Ram ke paas hai. And we've been to Baba Aur Ram like so many times. I love that place. So just gonna go inside and tell you guys how the restaurant is. Guys, this is my outfit for today. So I'm not really gotten ready. Just took a bath and I tied a bun and I'm wearing this top from Marks and Spencer. It's like a loose shirt and bilkul काफी airy material. And ऐसे नीचे leopard print shorts. These I got in London years back, like 5-6 years back. And again the same chappals. Actually I'm carrying like 3-4 pairs of footwear, but I don't feel like wearing anything else. These chappals are so comfortable. And abhi yeah, we need to run some errands. We need to buy a few things as a villa ke liye, towels and everything. So I'm not really getting ready and we're just leaving and we're in a hurry. And यहाँ पे जैसे shops, they all get closed like around 1-1:30 and open again around 4. So we're already late and abhi, we have to go and buy a few things. So yeah, just leaving for that. Guys, so we've come to Guys, I'm so embarrassed. I was basically there's this shop called Habitat where me and my mom had come, and I was just recording on the road and I felt so badly. I did not get hurt, but itni gandi tarike se my leg got slipped. I got slipped so badly and I feel so embarrassed. People are staring at me so badly. I'm so embarrassed. But any which way, so basically we were at Habitat, ye wali shop. And we bought like 50 towels for our villas, and now like यहाँ पे सामने there's a clothing shop इनकी where I want to go and see something for myself because the clothes look really nice. And yeah, I'm just gonna go there now. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm really sorry I wasn't able to vlog since 2-3 days. So basically the Switzerland 13 crew is staying at our villas And basically not only the Splitsvilla, even the roadies team, there are about 20 influencers all together, ex-roadies, the current Splitsvilla 13 group, and a few more people who were in Splitsvilla before, and the roadies wala bhi pura crew, they all are staying, and we are jam-packed with work. So 2 of our villas, 1 7 BHK, 1 3 BHK is booked, and there's a lot of work and they're staying. So usi wajah se, due to all the arrangement, I was really busy, could not vlog. I'm just in my other villa. So this is again, as you can see, this is another 3 BHK villa we have, and abhi I'm over here. I'm staying in a 2 BHK only because it's just me, my mom, dad and me, and just having orange juice by the view. So yeah, and unka breakfast chal raha tha. The entire team was having their breakfast, so wo sara arrangement all my staff was doing. So me and my mom, we just had to come and, you know, have a look at everything. So wo, as I told you guys, I'm going to put all the videos I get from our social media team after this of how their stay went, what they did, whatever I get. And yeah, I'm going to keep you guys updated. See you soon. I feel very hungry, so I'm just going to go for lunch with my mom right now. My dad is busy. He has a meeting. So yeah, I'm going to go for a nice lunch with my mom. Abhi yahan pe thoda wooden flooring is happening in the other villa. So I'm just going to give you a glimpse of this villa also. Waise thoda ganda hua because of the flooring happening. But haan, give you a look of this villa also. We've come to Baba Aram. It's around 6 o'clock in the evening and we're very hungry, so we've come for a late lunch to Baba Aram. So let's go. Again, today has been very busy. Today the photo shoot was taking place. So the entire MTV team, we had called a professional photographer and we were getting their photographs clicked outside our villas, in the villa, some individual photos, some group photos. So the photo shoot has been taking place since almost like 2 hours, and I just came right now only. My staff was taking care of the photo shoot, and as I told you guys, we had called a professional photographer, and abhi I came because I wanted to get few of my pictures also clicked, and we've taken a few clips of how the photo shoot went. So I'm going to put the clips after this video only, some before, some after, according to how I edit the video. And yeah, again, we guys are again very hungry since, I don't know, almost since like 1 week, since the time my dad has come, हमने घर पे खाना खाया ही नहीं है. We're every day going out and having our lunch or dinner. So yeah, again today I think 99% we're going to go out and have something because again we're very hungry. So yeah, and the photo shoot went actually very well. Everybody got, I was just, you know, helping the photographer download the photos right now in the laptops. I was just checking the pictures came really nice. There's some lovely individual photos, some very nice group photos, and our villa looks really beautiful in them, and मैंने अपने भी खिंचवाई हैं. My pictures have also come out to be really nice, and yeah, I'm gonna post them on Instagram also. So yeah, let's see what we do next. And I really like these sunglasses. Hi guys, so we're finally done with all the work of the villa, and there's this nearby cafe cum shack in Calangute. The name is the Cavallos karke kuch, and this is the second time we are coming over here. So as always, every day we are having outside. So यहाँ पे, like, you know, we are in our PJs, so we've just come to eat something, have 2-3 drinks and eat something. So we ordered Indian food because we've been craving Indian food since so long. But पहले we're gonna drink something, have some snacks, and then have the food. Guys, sorry again, I did not vlog for another 2 days. Actually, the Splitsvilla people, they checked out, I think day before yesterday or yesterday, I don't remember. And abhi I woke up and I've been walking idhar se udhar. I've been going because Sara Khan, the television actress, she's also checking in our villas, and uska all, you know, puri cleaning ho rahi hai because all our villas have been booked. So check out hota hai, and after every 2 hours check in ho raha hai. So like I'm helping my mom today. So firstly I had gone to the supermarket. Abhi I had gone to Lavande to buy a few things, thode cookies and ye wo tissue papers and everything. And I enjoyed grocery shopping. It's my favorite thing. So I'm helping mama. And abhi I'm going to this very famous shop in Goa to buy some cookies and everything. So wohi karne ja rahi hu. And abhi to I'm in my night suit in a very bad condition. And yeah, I'm going to get ready today probably and do something. I have to shoot 2 videos. So maybe do that, or maybe just go out and chill with my mom. So just walking towards the villa, and once I reach, I'll show you guys kya liya maine. Abhi I need to cross the road. Guys, I've entered mere villas ki jagah, and mera bada man kar raha hai that I'll walk and I'll show you guys maine kya liya. So basically, I bought these white cookies. ठीक है, वैसे तो I wanted to do a haul video जिसमें I show all my shopping and everything, but ये अभी use हो जाएगा, तो later I'll show you guys what I buy. So these are these white cookies. I don't know the name of these cookies, but these are very famous, very tasty. And another thing I got are these, wait, I got 250 grams of these jam cookies. They're also very tasty, and yeah, both of them are very tasty. Guys, I've changed into this dress. It's a very comfortable long dress, and this is how I look. Like, I put no makeup, only a sunscreen, and this is the dress that I'm wearing. Really like this outfit. Hi guys, so I'm ready. I've changed into my dress as I showed you guys, and I have no makeup on my face. This is my bare skin, only sunscreen on. And yeah, I don't know, I really like this outfit and I really feel like I'll get this dress washed and I will repeat it definitely because I'm here for a very long time. And I don't know, I really like this dress. And abhi, as I told you guys yesterday, Sara Khan, she's staying in our villa. So my mom is over there and my mom basically she had a meeting in our other side of our villas. So wahan pe she had gone to meet some hotelier. So I'm going to my mom only. And yeah, I'm just going to meet her. Abhi we just came from Arjuna and we had something aise aake ghar pe. And I don't know, like I've just gotten ready for no reason. I don't know what me and my mom are gonna do. Probably might go for a cup of coffee, but we're totally full. So aise thoda idhar udhar ghumenge. And I really feel now that I've wasted this dress. Like I don't know main kyun taiyar hui hu. I have no idea. Now this is a very big question. Why am I ready? Like I'm ready for no reason. And that also it's like 4 or 5 in the evening. Guys, good morning. It's the next day. So I just took a shower and I'm wearing very casual clothes. Just these shorts from Nike and a black t-shirt along with sunglasses. Hi guys, good morning. So as every day, I'm just leaving my place. I just got ready, took a shower, and aaj so I'm wearing very casual clothes, just wearing shorts and a t-shirt and just wearing my sunglasses because every day I'm wearing most of the days I'm wearing dresses and getting itna zyada ready. I did not want to do that. And on my face also I just applied lipstick and I have sunscreen on, and even my upper lips are due, so I'm going to get that done maybe today or tomorrow. And I even need trimming. So abhi again I'm going to the other side of my villas. ठीक है, because वहाँ पे I told you, like, you know, every day I'm telling you construction चल रही है, but you guys know that, right? So I need to give this box उधर, and my mom is also उधर. There's some photography also going on because she needs to get, मतलब कोई villa की photography, some rooms are getting re-photographed because wooden flooring वगैरह हुई है. So because of that, mom is there only, so I'm just going to her. I've just switched on the camera for no reason because today I'm carrying my tripod. I got flight color. I risked it also. I got a bit late because I was not carrying my tripod. I took me 15 minutes to find it, and मैंने पूरे trip में I probably used it just twice. So now I'm just making use of it because I'm just walking on the road and the weather is really nice today. ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा airy है. So yeah, I'm enjoying this drive. And actually I think I should use it more. It's actually very convenient and handy. ऐसे बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है, you know, using it and recording it. It's very convenient. जैसे फ़ोन पकड़ने से it gets more convenient. I even want to buy a camera, but I think, you know, like I want to do that once I reach a certain point. Like, you know, I've started like few months back only, so thoda I want to progress and then go for a camera. So yeah guys, so I finally reached यहाँ पे, and you know, like I wanted to record यहाँ पे because I love this part when we enter the villas. में ऐसे इतनी सारी greenery है यहाँ पे. And like as I was talking, I want to go for a vlogging camera because, like, you know, like I love to vlog. अभी तो, you know, like I've started YouTube only. So, like, you know, to start vlogging on a daily basis and more vlogging, there's not really a point because I don't have that much audience, and I want to do that once I gain more audience. But like, vlogging is something I love to do. I'll just walk from the pool side. So क्या कहते हैं, and I do have like a proper DSLR camera Nikon का, which I bought like years back because when I was in like 8th or 9th, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा भूत था ऐसे vlogging का, not photo vlogging, I mean to say, to get pictures clicked. And that camera, like, it was a very expensive camera, and that camera has been sitting in my place pointlessly. I've not used it since years, but that is not like a vlogging camera that I can use to record my videos in the future. But abhi I don't think so, that stage has come. I'm going to do that in the future, but like, you know, once I grow, hopefully soon, then I'm going to start using that camera, and with time buy another camera also for vlogging and ye wo. So yeah, I've reached, and I'm just going to find my mom, and then let's see what we do next. so today we're in Panaji. We've come to this very old bakery, a 91-year-old bakery in Goa. I got to know about this bakery from YouTube, and everything is priced over here is so less. All the prices are somewhere between 10 to 15 rupees to maximum of 150 rupees. The food is super fresh, super delicious, and we're trying different things, which I'll be showing you guys whatever I try. This cafeteria is basically famous for its cakes and breads, which I'm gonna buy and try after eating the food. Right now we're having some sandwiches, some patties and cold coffee, and it's a very small cafe, but it is made very beautifully, and the crockery they use is Portuguese crockery, which is so beautiful, and I'm just loving the vibe of this place.